know what? I just closed the blinds. For Danmar Dayaw, do not create a fake account. For me, I was told by Kuya Bear when I upload my YouTube video, I never want to create a fake account. I never want to create trolls. So, thanks Kuya Bear for advising at Danmar Dayaw. At least I just want to say, Kuya Bear, welcome to the Spedmotics of Jerick Silva. At least he's a Christian. He's a born again Christian, and he doesn't like to talk about toxicity or even making fake account on Facebook, or he doesn't wanted to. For us, like you, Danmar Dayaw, Alexandra Pagkalinawan, and even Eskel Penumbra, alright. It's not really good to use social media like Facebook. Facebook should never create fake account. Like me, I remember the past for what I did to Teacher Vincent and Teacher Gio Malana in 2021 and 2024. I apologize to them. Even to Teacher Isa Bancula, I apologize to her. She's not my girlfriend, she is my best friend. Jens is my best friend. Teacher Isa Bancula is my best friend. We are friends. This is hard to say, Danmar. Listen to your family. Listen to your parents. Listen to your mother. Even you, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, listen to your family members. Even you, Eskel Penumbra, listen to your wife, Teacher Kel. At least I never mentioned that her name. Listen, like for all of us, we make fake account. We made a trolls. If you make a troll to Kuya Rodelio Daguman, he doesn't know what he's doing, or he's busy in the work, it has to stop making about politics. Me, I talked to Lawrence Villawan. I never talk politics. Last year, I talked with Paula Nunez. I never talk about politics. We have to be non-political. As we are saying, we are just saying about non-political, do not create fake account. Don't too much, like I said, wag kang gumawa ng fake account, Danmar. If you have to listen to Roylan Marlang is very concerned at you. You know that I was kicked out in CDIFI for what I did to Teacher Vincent Ramos, or what I did to Teacher Gio Malana. Because I made the mistake that I'm the one who made fake account on Facebook. I'm the one who made fake account of Best Pills, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, to harass Ate Mel. And even the other staff of CDIFI. Now I was being kicked out. This is my consequence. If I were you, Danmar, if you don't want to be kicked out from Man's Inclusion Philippines, then you need to stop making fake account and stop making about politics. Do not start a lots of mess. If Jerick Silva said, sana wala na itong gulo. Just like what we are telling at you. Even you, Eskel Penumbra, do not make fake account of Rocky Tulog. Even everyone do not make fake account. Even the other people who make fake account. Even Mrs. Annie Gill, you're the one who make fake account. Even David Gill. David Gill implicate me. I'm the one who hack a Facebook account. Now I got being framed. I have nothing to do with David Gill. I was remain quiet. It's not good. Framing everyone and even making fake account, that is a cyberbullying. That is a cyber libel. You don't know what is cyber libel, Danmar.